Running scripts can be an art on its own. Normally, you have to dig through File, Scripts, and if the script isn't listed, you're stuck browsing to the right folder manually. That can feel daunting and time-consuming, especially if you use a lot of scripts or juggle multiple projects. So I made things easier by scripting a script runner. That's right, a script that runs other scripts instantly from a panel that stays open while you work. I need your support. Hit like, subscribe, and share this with a designer friend who's still doing things the hard way. Stick around till the end because I will also show you the ArrangeObjectToolbox script that allows you to group, align, and arrange objects just in one click. To install your first Illustrator script, launch your File Explorer, go to C Drive, Program File, Adobe, your version of Adobe Illustrator, Presets, Country, and Scripts. Download the scripts from the link below and paste them into this folder. Congratulations, you have installed the scripts. To run the script in Illustrator, go to File, Scripts. If the scripts are not shown here, select Other Scripts and search for the folder mentioned earlier. Click Script Runner to launch the script. Your scripts are shown here. You can favorite the script you like for easy access. Click on Open Folder for easy installation of new scripts. This will greatly reduce the time you spend searching for the Illustrator scripts folder. Are you tired of going back and forth to bring objects to the front, send to the back, or group and ungroup elements? Yes, there are shortcut keys, but let's be honest. Most of us love a good one-click icon. The problem? Many of these icons just don't exist in Illustrator. Tell me in the comments. What one-click icon do you wish Illustrator had? I might just build it in a future video. The one-click solution is here. Run the ArrangeObjectToolbox script, and you will see a new toolbox with shortcut buttons. Let us explore the various shortcuts. Bring to front. Send backward. Align center. Group. Ungroup. Feel free to explore other shortcut buttons listed in this toolbox. Once again, if this video was helpful, hit subscribe and tap the notification bell so you won't miss what's next. Because in the next module, we'll learn how to manage artboards like a pro.